Okay, so for a slightly more difficult question, 0.3 times 0.04. Okay, so our easy numbers here are 3 and 4. So to go from here to here, I've moved 1 decimal place to the right, and I'll write myself a little note. From here to here, I've moved 1, 2 to the right. Okay, so I do the sum. 3 times 4 is 12, and now I just need to remember to put the decimal places back in. So first of all, 1 decimal place, 1.2, then another decimal place, 0.12, and then 1 more decimal place, 0.012. That is my answer.